Hey you guys, thank you for coming to this video. So if you're new here, my name's Callie and I love all things beauty. I thought I would share with you guys the things I recently picked up at Target. I just wanted to film a video and I found some fun stuff. So let's get into this video. Alright, so the first thing I got is this t-shirt. It just says kind soul and has these little stripes on the collar, which I think it's really cute. I love t-shirts. I love graphic tees. I wear them pretty much all the time. I'm wearing graphic tees, sweatshirts, and leggings like 95% of the time, if I'm honest. So, of course, I always look at their t-shirts. This was the one that I found that I liked this time, so I picked that up. I think it was $15. Just thought it was really cute, and I love, you know, kind soul. It's always nice to be kind. I'm always wanting to improve myself, be kinder to people, you know, love people. I just think it's good to put good out in the world instead of being negative all the time. So even something as simple as wearing a graphic tee that is about love or kindness or just anything positive. Positive is better than negative. So, you know, that's my, I don't know where that came from. So I got some beauty stuff. So I picked up the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Dancer. It's just this nice bright red. I have one that's like, it's like a little more hot pinky orangey red. So I thought this more true red would be nice, which let's put it on. I know I love this formula. It stays all day. Like if you put this on, you're not taking it off. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's a pretty red. I like that. So yeah, that's really pretty. It's not the best, cleanest application, but I really like that shade. The closest thing I have to it is American Doll by Anastasia, and those are, I want to say like $21, $22 each. So these are only like $8 at the drugstore. So I think that's a really pretty shade, and for a liquid lipstick that just stays put as well as these do, I love it. So I also got two of the e.l.f. Camo Concealers, but this is the hydrating formula. So I've tried the other one with the black lid. That's just regular or matte. I'm not really sure because it was just that one, and then they launched this one. So I've been using it. I can't really tell much of a difference, except I feel like when I put it on, the formula is a little thinner than the other one. But, you know, it looks very nice. I don't feel like the other one dries out my under eyes. So I don't know, I think they're both good, but these are nice because they're only $5. And this is very comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape for $28 each. So I would definitely suggest trying these out. It's the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. The shades are kind of hit and miss. It's hard to kind of find your shade. I usually get two and mix them. That's why I have two. Because as you can see, like this one is medium sand and this is fair warm. So if you could find your shade, or if you could get a couple and mix and match, then it's a great formula. I also picked up this David's Natural Toothpaste Whitening Anti-Plaque Fresh Breath Fluoride Free, which is very important. And I've never tried this before. Can you even see it? I've never tried this brand before, but I thought it looked interesting. They didn't have the one that I'm used to getting, so there's a key. What is happening? Okay, it has a tube key. Okay, so this metal piece you slide onto the end and then you roll it as you use it, so you get every last drop. That's kind of nice. Confusing. I was like, why do I need a key? And it also has where you puncture it open. Oh, that smells strong. Okay, so I'll have to test this out. I've never used this brand before, but it looked nice. So then I grabbed, I guess I got several things from e.l.f. I didn't realize that. This little e.l.f. glitter, what is this even called? Glitter stick. I'm not sure. It had a package and I threw it away. It's the shade Flirty Birdie. So this really reminds me of the Stila Magnificent Metals. So this just looks so pretty. Don't know how well you can see that, but like, it's just so pretty. And I tried this on when I had no makeup on. I just wanted to see, and it lasted all day. It didn't fall down on my eyes. Like, it's just such a good product. They had several other colors too, so now I'm kind of wanting them up the other colors. They're only $5 each. So let me go ahead and put some of this on my eyes, even though it doesn't really match, but who cares, right? That does not look that great. It looks the best just on your plain lid with maybe a little bit of darker brown shadow in the crease. But just, I did this all over the inner half of my lid and it just looked so pretty. Just ignore what I'm doing right now. That does not work. It's not as like sparkly as the Stila ones, but of course it's only $5. I think the Stila ones are like 20 something. So if you want to save some money and just get the e.l.f. one, it's the same kind of idea, and it is really pretty, and it definitely does just stay in place, and it just looks good. So the final thing I got at Target was this e.l.f. little kit. This is the Skin Hit Kit. It's hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil products with a little hint of hydration. This was only $15, so I thought that was a good price for trying this stuff out. So you get this little happy hydration cream. Just has like a nice light fresh scent to it. You get this Calm Balm, which I won't put it on top of my lipstick right now, but that just seems really nice and hydrating, really smooth. I think I'll really like that because my lips are always chapped. Comes with this All the Feels facial oil. So it says to apply a few drops on your skin and gently pat, mix into your foundation or skincare products for added moisture and radiance. So that feels really nice. That just feels really good. It's like not really a scent to it, and it gives you this nice kind of glowy sheen. I think that'll be nice on the face. And then the final thing is this Puff Puff Primer. So this is a foundation primer. Let me see. Just feels nice and hydrating. It's a little thicker than a lot of the primers I've been using. I've been using more kind of like really hydrating stuff. So, I mean, but it just feels nice, and it kind of gives you like a little bit of that tackiness that you kind of want for foundation. Helps like hold everything on there. So I thought that was a fun little kit for a good price just to try some new products out. That was my little Target haul. I haven't been shopping in a while. Obviously, you can't really go out and just go shopping. So I just picked up a few things. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of this stuff and if you like it or if you don't. And also let me know your favorite things from Target. Like, what do you go to Target for? What are your favorite things that you get when you, because you know, everybody's got their own thing at Target. What do you always have to get when you go to Target? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my little YouTube fam. And I think that is it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.